Someone on a previous video asked me how I get these videos shot and have the time for the hobby, especially with kids. Well, this is how. Gotta seize my moments. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. On a previous video you saw the hard part, the front axle. Shouldn't even say hard part, this thing went together pretty well. No issues at all. And now it's time to install the rear axle. This is the Vanquish rear axle. I'm using all the internals from the stock axial axle. And if this is like the front, everything should go right in, no problems. I say this is easier because it's just really less. There's just less to deal with. You don't have to put together the steering knuckles and all that good stuff, so pretty much just goes right up. So what I'm going to do is take off the old axle and take out the internals. Alright, so step one's real simple. So I have everything out of the original axle. I'm going to go ahead and start putting it all into the new Currie axle. And the two collars go into the bearings, which goes into the gear. And then the other gear goes into the bearings, into the back cover. So I'll go ahead and get all this done. I'm also going to just go ahead and get step 2 done, which is putting that whole assembly into the piece here. Okay, and just like the front, I went ahead and put some new grease onto the gears. So everything is nice and lubricated. PPRslots.com, Shen RC. Alright, so I went ahead and did step 3, put the 4 screws in, hold everything together. I'm going to go ahead and go to step 4 and get the axles, the shafts in there, and get everything together. Alright, so I have everything assembled. I got the shafts in, put the ends on, put the hub back on the end. This is the scale kind of filler cap, just finger tighten that in there, and then put on the drive shaft. So what I'm really going to do is just install everything back on. It's real simple. Just put the links where they need to go and put the shocks where they need to go. Okay guys, so that's really it. Just got to put the shocks where the shocks go and the links where the links go, but hardware is included. Everything just goes right on. So I'll go ahead and put the wheels back on. Okay guys, so the rear's done. Wheels are back on, everything's looking good. I'll hook a battery up and just give it a test. And we're rolling. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully I can get this thing out in the trail soon. Test it all out. Alright, bye for now.